Did you remember to replace your smoke detector batteries? Most people forget until a fire starts and the alarm does not sound. This usually happens after too much smoke from a cooking incident, but sometimes can be a disaster. Maybe you use post-it notes, but they can pile up and be ineffective. Maybe you make a note on a calendar, but forget to do it that day. Maybe you make a note in your Notes app or notebook, but then turn the page or forget to look. It's not easy to remember. If you need to remember it, Membrit. The Membrit app is an advanced yet easy-to-use personal memory assistant that will remind you of important tasks and events on a timely basis and keep reminding you until it gets done and much more. Download it and start your free trial today